Hello everyone, my name's Emily and I'm here today to show you how to make your very own storm jar. This is a really fun craft activity that you can do at home with your family, but also it's going to leave you with something that may be able to help you in the future. You sometimes might feel a little bit stormy yourself. You might feel cross or sad or frustrated. You might feel worried. You might have butterflies in your tummy, feel stormy in your head, and those are feelings that we all feel, but hopefully this little object is going to be something that can help you when you feel that way. So to do this craft, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a jar of some sort. So this is an old peanut butter jar, or you can use something like this, which is a little plastic tub. As long as it's got a screw lid, that is all you need. The next thing you're going to need is some water in a jug for easy pouring. And then lastly, you're going to need some glitter of some kind that you might have around the house. So take your jar and then pour your water in. Hold it at the bottom and fill your jar to about 3/4 full. So to about there, maybe a little bit more. Ooh. And then next you're going to add your glitter. And I'm going to add 3 lots of glitter today. So I'm going to add some silver. That's just going in. And then I'm going to add some gold, just to mix it up. And have lots of different colours. And then the last one I've got is some purpley pink glitter. So I'm going to add that. And then you're going to put your lid back on and screw it on really tightly. And you might need to ask a grown-up to help you with this bit. So screw it on really, really tightly. And then this is the fun bit. Give it a really good shake. Make sure you're holding the top as you do that, just on your first shake. And then wait. And watch your glitter. And see how long it takes to stop. And it's quite relaxing as you watch the glitter move about and go on its own little journey. And that storm in the jar starts to settle. And so now you have your storm jar and you can use it whenever you start to feel a bit stormy yourself or any of those emotions that we talked about earlier. Put it somewhere that's special to you, maybe next to your bed or in a special place in your house. And whenever you start to feel a little bit stormy, go and grab your jar, give it a little shake, and then watch as the storm settles. And hopefully that will help your storm settle as well. Have fun. Take care.